So I realized that a lot of people been asking me, yo, how did you got started in this? And I'm like, yo, it's been a while. I should have done a video like this for ages now, but roll intro. It's kind of funny because like life weird, you know, life weird. Because when I tell people, say, oh, you know, say like growing up, you see me, I remember a point in my life growing up, we used to sell clothes downtown. Well, not clothes, belts. And my mother used to sell belts. Till people say, yo, we used to sell belt downtown, King Street, in front of, do you remember the name of the plaza? Name of the plaza? I don't remember the name of the store. And when I tell them that, I'm like, you're lying. I'm like, nah, I've never struggled in my life doing it, but like I've done some things where pride got the best of me. And I'm like, yo, bro, you have to do it. You see me? You have to do it. And this was a time in my life when I was still going to high school. I went to Kingston Technical, and yo, you know, so when I go to school, you know, and your friend them laugh after you when you do them type of hustle and all them type of stuff there. I was in like the 9th grade, and that summer I wanted to buy Wallaby clocks to go back to school. So my mother, she used to sell belt on the side because she used to be a conductress for JUTC. And it was so strange, like I can't believe that I was actually downtown selling. And now a couple years from now, I'm trying to live my best life, you know, traveling and capturing the moments, all different type of content, doing weddings and photography, lifestyle, the whole works, you know. I actually started this because of my mom. Yeah, actually started because of her. Just imagine going to Garments Academy. That's where I learned graphic design. And after I learned graphic design, I needed to take some photographs, right? But I remember the main reason why I needed to start taking photos, because I used to do photo manipulation, right? And I saw a photo on Facebook. I'm like, yo, I have to try this. Because I saw a photo with a guy, like he was hanging off his own fingers, like hanging off. I'm like, I have to try that. So when I realized that, say, yo, this have a vibe, but I needed to take some photos of myself to photo manipulate. And that's how it started. I bought a camera, a bridge camera. A bridge camera would be classified as a camera that is between a point and shoot and a DSLR, but you can't change the lens. And from the graphic design to photography, right, learning nightclub photography, and then working at a photo studio. That's how I learned about lighting and where to direct the lights and those type of stuff. So the videography aspect, I had to take it on. I wasn't planning on taking it on, but like I had to, because if I don't take it on, that's one aspect of this whole content creation thing that's going to miss me. So I had to take it on. So I would say starting all of this back in, I think I started in 2014 going into 15, 16. I actually take up photography on an almost serious level, and in 2020 I actually found myself of where I want to be in the whole photography realm. And I must say, because of COVID, I found myself, because like you'll be working and shooting for like years upon years and realize, say, yo, this is not the look that you want. And look at me now. After years of trying to find yourself, say, yo, what you want to do. Because when I was, you know, you're in high school, you never know what you want to do with your life and those type of stuff. But you know, sometime in life, people just need a little push, you know. Like, people just need a little push. And I wish the creative market was like that. Because there are people who is in the creative market where them hold on to information. So I'm like, yo, if you die, you're going to die with it. So if somebody asks me a question, a simple thing to actually answer them and tell them the truth, I'm not going to lie to them. If somebody asks me what type of camera you use, I'm going to tell you the exact camera and the lens and the setup. So for me, I must say I'm grateful for where I am right now, and everybody that has been with me throughout these throughout them time years, isn't me? Because I don't know where I would be right now, because I know that college wasn't my life, because I never went to college. Some people assume that I went to college, because in college wasn't my type of vibe. Put it to myself, it's good to go there, you know, but it's kind of sad that so much college students, after years of being in college, end up on a call center making phone calls or solicit to people and disrespect them. Yo, I don't know. And it's because I love this. Sometimes it doesn't really feel like work. And look at me now. You can address me as Skids. Yeah. I'm an actor now, yeah. So I must say, anything that you want to do, if you put your mind to it, you're gonna make it. You're gonna make it. Nobody tell you, say, oh, you can't make it. This is rubbish, this is garbage, or photography doesn't make money. I must say, because of this whole photography thing, this is one of the main reasons. I would say this is one of the main reasons and how I started traveling to different countries. Instead of just traveling to different parishes in Jamaica, I'm traveling to different countries. So I must say, continue. Don't stop. One day you must reach somewhere, you know, I swear. One day you must reach somewhere. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one. Peace.